Let's go do this for Mr. Lenny.
Damn, how many beef is that?
Holy shit.
Jesus Christ. It's a lot of beef. I didn't realize it until I was like, what? Damn, that's a lot.
I've got a plane that counts off 9 out of the 10 cells. I checked the voltage, the voltage is all there. It doesn't count the 10 cells. You know,
You only got 9 fingers.
well, that might be, but I can always tell.
That's funny.
1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10.
Coming out.
Lenny,
You.
is this thing supposed to start with the throttle in a certain position?
That's why I bring the trim all the way down.
Okay. All right, well, let's do this again, because I know what's wrong. We'll start with it. Here we go. Start with it like that.
Oh, okay. Taking off.
One more time.
I'm going. Don't rush him.
Sheesh, Frankie, that thing's evil. All right. Let's go.
Gave you a handful, huh?
Oh, we'll see. Should be all right. Jeez, Frankie. I think you're getting used to it. All right, take it off.
It's not because I flew it a lot more down, I tell you that.
Woo, yeah, that was low. Good Lord, Frank.
Almost hit Burning Man. Extra tickets.
Okay, Lenny, it's working.
All right.
Looks pretty steady.
Yeah, I don't hear any flapping.
Nope.
Everything sounds good.
Trying to stay out of everybody's way. It's on low rates right now, so. Yeah. It's all trimmed.
Looks good. Thank you, Ray.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it's much easier to fly. It's really docile. With a little bit of
No
trim.
pass, right to left. Low, high speed pass.
Getting out of Frank's way. Nice, Frankie. You're flying it like you mean it now. Let's see if I can get a little nose up.
One time I'm going to push Burning Man out in the middle.
There, Lenny, look. It's a little nose heavy to hover, but. Getting out of Frank's way.
Stay out of Frank's way.
Yeah, we're good.
Great.
Good Lord, I can't do anything. Frank's taking up the whole sky. Jeez.
And Frank's just that kind of guy.
I'm getting out of your way the whole time. Now I want to land and I can't. God, as David would say, goddamn guy.
I haven't seen David.
He's been driving cars. Yeah, that's way better. Look at that. It's just steady wherever you point it.
A little more power, a little more power. More power, more power, more power. Get to the runway. Alright, I gotta go around.
Motor, 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 motor.
Go around.
I'm just gonna stay right over here till they're done. I've been below half throttle this whole flight, so we've got plenty of battery.
That's what Frank does. Well, nice of you to tell him about bringing it in. I'm sure you appreciate it.
What?
Nice of you to tell him that he's got it. I'm sure you appreciate it.
Lander. Woo!
Rough, but you're down.
Still in one piece.
Crosswind was nice.
It's all cross and wonky. You have another battery, Lenny?
Yeah.
Okay. Go fly it and tell me what you think. Everything's trimmed, so it's not, you don't need much of anything.
Cool.
Need a more elegant landing.
There we go. Yeah, I think you're gonna have to go grab it. But there you go. Throttle cuts on. There you go.
Thank you, Ray.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate it.
I'll help you with anything else if you need it.